Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, AIMARS. I'm super excited to tell you about a new AI tool called Hedra AI. It is truly amazing and stands out as the best tool for generating images and videos from text. But that's not all. It can also generate audio and a free lip syncing feature. Now I'd like to show you some example videos created using Hedra AI. These examples will demonstrate the incredible power and versatility of this tool.
Welcome to a test of the Hedra Alpha.
Hedra AI can create a stunning landscape image based on a simple text description.
Hedra AI's lip-syncing technology can produce lifelike lip movements for any given audio and generate the beautiful video.
If you want to generate videos like the one I showed you in my video, you should use the AI tool called Hedra AI. Hedra AI is an advanced AI tool that enables users to create videos with generated images and synchronized audio effortlessly. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the Hedra AI interface. Sign in to Hedra AI. Visit the Hedra AI website. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Once you're signed in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Try Beta button to access the latest features of Hedra AI. Generate an image. Write a descriptive prompt for the image you want to generate. For example, you can write, "A beautiful girl with brown eyes and black hair in a red dress." Make sure your description is clear and detailed to get the best results. After writing your prompt, click on the Create button to generate the image. Create audio description. Next, write the description or script for the audio you want to generate. This will be the spoken content in your video. Be as detailed as possible to ensure the AI captures the essence of what you want to convey. Select voice type. Choose the type of voice you want for your audio. Hedra AI typically offers a variety of voice options, including different genders, accents, and tones. Select the voice that best suits the style and mood of your video. Generate the video. Click on the Video Generation button to start the process. The AI will combine the generated image and the audio to create a video with synchronized lip movements. Wait for processing. The video generation process might take some time. Be patient and wait for the AI to process your request.
AI makes tasks easier by automating them. AI helps doctors find diseases faster. AI improves decisions with better data analysis.